Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find all Snapchat filters using your Android phone. Just keep on watching and let's get started. First, go to your Snapchat, then click this face icon. Then these are the filters. Then you can also click the Explore to find filters. Scroll down and you will see a lot of filters. And you can choose your filter category like trending, face, world, and music. For example, this one, just capture it and you will now have your filter. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!